Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Moralis for Web3 user authentication, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Moralis website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your email address and password, then confirm your registration. Once registered, log in to your Moralis account. On the dashboard, click the Create a New App button. Choose a name for your app and select the blockchain you want to work with. After creating the app, you will see the app details. Locate and copy your application ID and server URL for later use. Now, head to your code editor. Open the HTML file where you want to integrate user authentication. Include the Moralis SDK by adding the following script tag in the head section. Next, initialize Moralis using your application ID and server URL. Add the user authentication function using Moralis built-in login method. You can set up a button for users to log in with their preferred wallet. Once users are authenticated, you can access their information within your application. To log out, implement a logout function using Moralis logout method. Test your application to ensure the authentication process is working correctly. Lastly, review the Moralis documentation for any additional features you may want to implement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.